So these are going to be our boiled potatoes. We peeled them, halved them, and they're simmering.
Added some salt.
Added some salt in them.
And we cut them in half because it just cooks way faster, and the potatoes are gonna cook more gleichmäßig,
evenly.
Soon we're gonna take them out of the water. 5 more minutes. So they're basically the boil time for cut in half potatoes are about 20 minutes, and then we will remove them from the pot and swirl them in a little bit of butter and sprinkle them with parsley, and then hopefully we can enjoy the fruit of our labor.
What she's been waiting for.
Because I'm so hungry.
Did we mention she's hungry?
Okay, seems like our potatoes are done. So
now we're draining them. The best is to use a colander. To drain them. And we turn the pot to the stove. And now we'll turn it back on a low flame. Very low. Very, very low. And we'll put some butter into the pot. Let it melt a little bit.
Put a lot of butter. Put more butter.
More butter. We want more butter.
Put the whole butter.
Okay, so I'm putting the rest of the butter in there. So the potatoes get nice and buttery. There we go. And now we're going to add our potatoes to that. Putting them in there. Swirl it around. Give it a little swirl, not too much. We don't want them all to fall apart. So it's should probably just swirl them like that a little bit.
And here comes the best.
Now comes the best. The parsley. Add the parsley to it. That has a nice fresh flavor.
Fantastic.
Okay. And now we should be ready to eat.
I can hardly wait.
Did she mention that she's hungry?
Okay.
Now we're putting our green beans on the plate. And a little bit of our potatoes. Just like that. And now to the best part, our pork chop in cream gravy sauce with a lot of mushrooms. This is looking real good. We'll add a little bit more gravy to it.
And now I'm taking over because she has to try it first.
I have to try it first.
Here you go. I want to see that. So now,
Er war ein Punker und er lebte in der großen Stadt. Es war in Wien, war Vienna, wo er alles tat.